Stock number 40360 to 2018 Toyota CHR. It does have a key. It tries to turn over, but it doesn't say started. I had to jump it to find that out. So key, no start. Front bumper's no good. The hood's no good. Got a little dent right here in the quarter panel. This tail light's cracked on the passenger side. This is bent right here. Got a little scratch too. Got a little parking lot ding right there on the driver door. Little parking lot ding right there on the driver's back door. It's a really nice car. It's Toyota. I know the radio does work. The glove box over here. Driver's side visor. Passenger side visor. All the seat belts are good. There's no airbags deployed. Oh, it's only a two-door. Oh no, it ain't. It's a four-door. Little handle here. That's cool. Again, this is stock number 40360 to 2018 Toyota CHR.